Yep, this is the part two. I had to do it. Uh, it's just, I guess I'm having a moment. Yep, I'm having a moment. Not crying or nothing. I'm having one of them moments where I feel so good because this weather, just how I'm feeling, where I'm at. I'm really happy I'm happy right now. I am happy right now. I feel good. I'm happy. It's working. It's working. Eating healthier. It's not that funny. Eating healthier, staying off the vices, working out, getting out of the pad, getting out in the sun and the fresh air, the wide open here. It all contributes to these moments. This is part two, by the way. I don't know if you even made it through the other one I made just a little while ago, but I'm feeling so good. I just had to do it again. I did, because it's so nice out here. I've really forgotten how nice it is out here. It's been so long, and before when I was coming through these areas, I was on a bicycle. I'm not sure if I've ever actually walked through here before, but it sure is nice. And you know, I don't think I could have picked a better day to revisit this area, you know. So let me pause it real quick here because we're coming up to a really nice area. So I'll be right back. Man, this is the real deal. Okay, this ain't no fake energy. This ain't no fake rush. This is just being alive and feeling normal and feeling good with nothing but just food, air, water, sunshine, and better frame of mind. And it does help to get out. It does help to get out and get away from that TV, get away from the internet. You know, it does. Because, man, this morning I was sitting there a couple hours, I'd say, and it was just nothing but back and forth politics. Man, just so much negativity and just, man, it's these politics and the internet combined are really doing a number on people, man. It really is. And you don't realize it that much until you get away from it for a minute, you know? You don't realize it till you get away from it. And there's this beautiful world out here that's been here the whole time, and including myself, missing out on it because a lot of things. The internet's really causing a lot of problems for people. you know? I get caught up in it all the time, man. I do. You guys hear me, see me. It's very toxic, man. And sometimes you just gotta step away. Step away from the computer, step away from the phony, and just do something besides that. You know, something that feels good. Preferably something natural that's healthy and good for your body and mind, you know, like what I'm doing right now. This is much better than, you know, any drug, really, any alcohol. It really is. You know, I don't, you know, the only way you're going to get a big rush like alcohol and drug is if you do something exhilarating or exerting yourself, somehow getting your endorphins going. Usually I'd get like those rushes when I was jogging, but this walking like this, it's a slow release of endorphins because you got the sun helping out. I mean, I wish you guys could be here right now to feel what I'm feeling, but there's a nice cool breeze. The sun is warm, it's not hot, and like, dudette, this is what's up. Okay, it's times like this, and a lot of other times, where I'm so glad I made the choices I did to get more into like well-being and fitness and just being more healthy. It pays off. You know, it's a journey, because there's times where it's hard. There's times where it's hard because you get bored, and this isn't that. So, you know, you get triggers, but you know what? When you wade through all that stuff, you have moments, and these moments become more often, you really get rewarded, man. You get rewarded. So this is my part 2. I just wanted to do another one because I was having another moment. Okay, so thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it, and happy Friday, and we'll catch y'all later. Stay tuned, there might be something else. I do have product review coming up, so we'll catch y'all later. See ya.